Here is my 2017 Tombstone BattleBots remote control. As you can see, it comes with. As you can see, I got the arena with Tombstone and Witch Doctor. You can hear the thunderstorm in the background. So you can see, here's the controller. You have these: forward, backwards, left, right, and this to turn on the weapon and turn it off. Let's go back. Takes those type of batteries. As you can see, it's based off the 2015, based off the one that could be in 2015 BattleBots. You can see there's a bar spinner here, has tyres, the wheels, and has the Tombstone logo right there. As you can see, yeah, it is missing the two back plates. One of them's, both under my bed somewhere. Yeah, that falls off easily. That's what it looks like on the bottom. Oh, this. There you go. Now I'm going to flip it over, put this near it with the switch on. And hopefully like that, it should have been turned on and it should work. So you can see it works. Oh. There you go, it works. Now let me just... So you can see it works. And here's the weapon. And off. It's actually quite powerful. I've tested it up against some of my other Lego figures and it does deal damage. It's quite good. Here it is. Oh yeah, okay. You can see. If you're wondering if you touched it while I was turning, it would hurt. Now let's switch it off, which you simply just press this button again. And it should do that. And there you go. So, BattleBots Tombstone remote control. Hope you enjoyed, thanks for watching and see ya!